Now, when the young flowers become adults, you will see 5 petals of this flower. However, it started still a little bit close up, and then it gradually opens up. So with 5 petals of flower, how we demonstrate the different views? There are in general 2 ways. The one way is to show when we see the 1 petal in the front. Another way is when the flower tilts a little bit more, we see 2 flower petals in the front. So when the flower turning, so first we see 1 petals. And when it tilted a bit more, we see the 2 petals. So 1 or 2. So when we see the 1 petal in the front, like a peppercorn, because it's still tilted. And then we have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's the young flower, and the base is here. And we can see the 5 petals are all facing, the opening space are all facing the heart of this flower. So we see the first petal in the front, like a peppercorn. And then 1 and 2 at the back is very small. Again, it's all connected or facing to the center. Let's try this movement. So each of the petals, the circles are, we will do the 3 elements. So for example, 1, 2, 3. And here also, that's 1 movement and 1 movement, complete movement. So the flowers we just practiced here, they are still close. The petals still are relatively close to each other. Now, when the petals opening up even more and also tilted or facing more to the viewer, we will also see from the 1 petal or 2 petals in the front. So if there's 1 petal in the front, now this petal is even thinner because the petal is more facing to the viewer, and so you can see even almost the edge of the flower. So it's more like a shape of a crab eye. And now we have 4. And these 4 petals, 4 movement, are more like the shape of a full petal now, because they are facing more to the viewer now. Again, a crab eye, and now a 4 more full size of petals. So you can see the flower base is at the very bottom. And the 4 petals are all coming back to the center to join to the base. And a similar idea with the 2 petals in the front. We have 2 crab eyes, a thin tiny one, and then these 3 almost full size because they are opening up. And we can see, where is the base? Can you find the base of this flower? Yes, it's deep inside. It's deep here. Can you see that? There, where all the flower coming to the heart. Okay, you can try with different directions. However, each time is a full movement, as you can see. Each time, beginning and end. Okay, let's try this flower with 1 or 2 petals in the front. That is more open up. It's very interesting. Once I studied the flower petals, when I come back to look at the flowers, I never seen flowers so closely. So well done. We have all the flowers until the full blossom, which we will study in the next session.